Hi there, this is Ozzy. Welcome to my Watch and Learn channel. In this video, we'll explore the element of art form. Form in art is a 3D object having length, width, and depth. We'll start with organic forms. Organic forms are 3D objects with irregular outlines and are usually found in nature, like this boulder I'm drawing. Now notice, artists can trick the eye into seeing 3D forms by creating depth and space on a paper's flat surface. Just by adding directional lines, shading, and details to the object's shapes. I'll darken some more areas to separate the planes. So you see darks, mediums, and lights add value, which turns this organic shape into an organic 3D form. So there are different types of lines: angled, straight, and vertical. Okay, here we can use a circular shape and turn it into a spherical form, the apple. Spheres are also found in nature. Again, I'll add lights, mediums, and darks, and some directional lines while shading. Plus little details like where the top dimple of the apple. Now you would add a darkened cast shadow so that way your objects are not floating in space. And that is part of tricking the eye into the 3D form. And then the details, like the stem of the apple. Now, geometrical forms are 3D objects with mathematically precise edges, like a cube or sphere. Here's a cone that I'll be creating from a triangle. But notice I've curved the bottom edge out to give it some dimension. And by adding value, it turns it into a 3D object. Also, this cast shadow keeps it from looking like it's floating in space. Here, I will draw this parallelogram and turn it into a cube. And notice I will use directional lines and some shading to turn the shape into the hollow box that you see. And again, there's a cast shadow to make the box look like it's sitting on the ground. And here's a little cylinder. It's either out of a square rectangle with rounded elliptical top with shading and a shadow. And with these 3D objects, you can create depth and space. Hope you enjoyed this video.